Hello, my name is Sara Hoeflich and I'm in charge of the learning program in United Cities and Local Government, UCLG. Today I would like to explain you a little bit about our module, Localizing the Stg. This is a module that seeks for practical localizing, and we have developed it in partnership with the UNDP Art Program, with UN Habitat and with the Global Task Force. So localizing is a term that is very important because the global agenda is linked to the local reality, to the local territories, and there's a lot of content happening in local levels that is important to be considered and also to be inspired. So how does this module work? We have first very broad target groups. We have in our targets local councillors, elected people, public officers, NGOs, people are informed or not informed, and then finally we have our associations and networks that have a role to articulate local knowledge with global knowledge and local policies and global policies. So the module for this is looking in a methodology that in particular those latter associations, networks, training institutes can use it in a very practical way. So it is full of exercises, it is full of learning methodologies, you have games, you have fun, you have a lot of resources you can all find on our website, UCLG Learning, and also Localizing the Stg, and you can design your own training. The guide counts on 4 chapters. The first one is an introduction, general introduction to SDG. The second one is looking how to design campaigns, what means awareness raising, what kind of steps are critical for advocacy and how can you use SDG in this process. The third chapter looks on alignment of strategies, so local policies that are embracing and are responding and working, and where the SDGs, the sustainability is highlighted. And the fourth one is monitoring and evaluation. So as you know, the United Nations has done a lot of indicator and is trying to report yearly the progress of sustainable development, and it is very important that this local work is shown, and the way how to monitor, how to show also to your people what you are doing and what kind of indicators to use is described there. Finally, I would like to remind you that if you design a training, we first welcome and appreciate you are doing this, so please inform us how you do it, but don't forget that training to be interactive and to be a motivator to communities and to local governments, you should be aware of the setting. So don't do a pyramidal setup, try to have plain hierarchies, tables that allow group work, because any training has a lot of group works inside, and for that you will also need a number of facilitators. So don't forget, more or less to calculate per 15 participants, 1 facilitator. By this you will have people later engaged, you will have commitment, and you will have for sure an own roadmap. Thank you very much.